Hello everyone, I'm today here with another lesson we are going to explore. It's a very reliable price action setup, the third toe trend strategy. This pattern is widely used by professional traders because the markets often respect the trend line strong on third toe. Okay, so the main idea behind this strategy, it's simple, very simple. When the market is trending, price tend to respect the trend line multiple times. Okay, the first two toed to the third help us try and confirm the trend line. Okay, and then the third toed is usually the stronger reaction point, so you need to wait for that confirmation before to take a decision and start with that. All right, when this happens, because many trades are watching the same line or made the same operation. All right, and they are combined others create a powerful bounce. A rejecting candle at this point often confirms the continuation of the trend. Right here I have the example. Okay, that is pretty good. When you have this 1, 2, 3 candles in the support line on the resistance line, that is good. That is almost the same for the trip tape reversal. It's the same idea, is the same concept, right? You can use that with Bollinger Bands or with fractal, with zigzag. That's good too. All right. So to identify current trends in an uptrend, look for high highs and higher lows. So the highest point and lowest point. In a downtrend, it's the same thing. Lower highs and lower lows. All right. Draw a trend line connecting two significance points. If you want to try to make a line with that, or just using the zigzag, all right. In an uptrend, connect to higher lows. In a downtrend, there's opposite to lower lows. Lower highs, sorry. Okay. And then wait for the third tote. That's the main idea with that. Okay. This is where the setup becomes valid. Look at this. Okay. So look for rejecting candle. Always is necessary to look for a rejecting candle. When you get a correction or a pullback, when you have situations when the candle is trying to break through the middle line and then start to get a correction, is the same thing. But in this case with the middle line, when you have the three toes in the middle line, that's almost 100% that the candle will break through the middle line.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
So be careful with the fake situations. Try to use that in the resistance line, in the support line. Okay. Remember, a long wick shows price respect the trend line. A small body of the candle body indicated hesitation and potential continuation. All right. When you have a climax, it is a huge candle. We can wait for that. Okay. So try to enter always in the direction of the trend, guys. Always. In an uptrend, enter call option. In a downtrend, enter the put option. Or the higher buy button or the sell and lower button. Okay. So just think about it. The market is in a strong and uptrend. You just connect two higher lows to form your trend line. Okay, you can do this right here. Later, price comes down and it tilts the trend line for the third time. When you got this option, Okay, a bullish rejection candle formed with long lower wick. That's our confirmation. You enter the call option, expecting the trend to continue upward. All right, if you just do the opposite of that, we'll continue to the downtrend. So in a downtrend, the same logic applies. Price touches the trend line for the third time, forms bearish rejection candle, and wait to the put option. Right?
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Guys, this is just explanation video for you that I'm trying to do this right now. We're not make any operation with that. Okay, so that's it. So the first one, identifying the clear trends, draw a trend line connection Jude points, wait for the third tote. Always the third tote. Confirm with rejection candle. Okay, and enter in the direction of the trends. The third total trend strategy is simple, visual, and high reflective when combined with the patient and the proper confirmation. Alright? And that's it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. Write your opinion in the comments if you like this one. Okay, share the link with your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, please. And that's it. Have a good one, and I see you in the next live, the next video. I wish you the good operations and good profits for you. Bye bye. See you.